Hey guys, welcome, and this is the Logitech G930 unboxing. So let's just go straight into this. So this product is made by Logitech, of course, and it's the gaming series. It has 3 programmable buttons and a volume wheel and a mute button. This is wireless and it has a built-in noise cancelling microphone. It's cushion pad, it's really soft, and it has 7.1 surround sound, advanced Dolby technology. It is battery can last up to 10 hours without charge, but if you charge it, you can charge it while playing. So that is a plus. So let's go straight into here. Come on. Oh, I see what's right here. I didn't see this. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Oh, it doesn't have anything else in? Okay. So there's nothing really important here, it's just some paperwork that you could look in. Yeah, it comes with I believe this is a USB extender. You can plug this into your standard Android phone and such, and the headset, and you can plug the USB right here, so that will extend it. So you will have to install the Dolby, the digital software for the G930 to enable the 7.1 surround. So I believe this headset will work if you plug it into the Mac and use it just straight away, but does not use with it does not work with 7.1 surround. So yeah, it's just some basic stuff. The microphone can bend, and the microphone can bend, and it can extend the headset so it can fit bigger heads or smaller heads or whatever. Oh, there's microphone morphing. And wow, you can sound like a monster or something, I'm not sure. And just some standard stuff, and this is what the drivers will look like, and I'll show you a demo on the PC maybe. So if I feel the need, I will show it. And here, let's just try to get this in here. There you go. That's what it is. It's really solid. You feel it, and the wires. Oh, okay, yeah. So yes, this works. This cable works into your standard Android phone. So you could plug that in your Android phone if you want to, if you're done charging your headset. But I think you're gonna have to plug this into the USB adapters for the wall plug first. So let's go straight into the headset. Wow. So the Logitech headset, it feels really sturdy. It's really soft and comfortable. The 3 macro buttons, G123, the volume wheel, the mute button, and the charging port, all here. Okay, this is the microphone. It could go down, it would retract. Is that it? Okay, I thought it could go all the way, like hidden, but no. So really this is it, and it's really soft right here. Even the top part is cushioned. Top part's cushioned. And we have, ow, that hurt, the USB for the wireless. So I'll give you a demo of what the microphone sounds like, and so I will be right back. Hello guys, this is the microphone test for the Logitech G930. It is really clear and crispy. You can also tell that there is a built-in noise cancel technology. I'll make a comparison with the Blue Snowball right now. Hi guys, I am back with the Blue Snowball. So this is the audio quality of the Blue Snowball. Obviously you can hear a difference, and it is one of the best microphones on the market right now, and with the Audio Technicas and the Blue Yeti, which is made by the same company. So the Logitech G930 is overall a great piece of hardware, and sometimes it drops signal, but maybe it's a drivers, maybe it's a USB, I don't know, but I'll find it really. Oh, that was. I hope you didn't hear that. That was a truck outside. But Logitech G930 is one of the best headsets right now in my book. It's made by one of the best companies, Logitech, and it's probably known by everyone. And right now, for $100, you can buy this headset at Canada's Computers. Normally, it's $169. And right now, it's $70 off right now at Canada's Computers. So I'll give you a link in the below. I'm leaving the link in the below in the comments, in the description, not the comment. But if it runs out, this Canada's Computer is exclusive to Canada only. So I'll leave a link to Amazon or any Best Buy. So this is my review of the Logitech G930 and the unboxing. Thank you for watching.